What's up everybody, it's Alex and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and ready for another deep dive into the ever-evolving world of digital currencies. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today's episode is going to be packed with insights, predictions, and some seriously exciting updates that you won't want to miss. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of cryptocurrency, but not just any cryptocurrency. We're talking about PiNetwork. If you've been following the crypto space, you know that PiNetwork has been making waves for a while now. It's not just another coin, it's a project that's trying to change the way we think about mining, accessibility, and community-driven value. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting out, PiNetwork is a name you've probably heard buzzing around social media and tech forums. Now you guys know I love finding crazy opportunities, and PiNetwork has been blowing up lately with millions of people joining the movement. It's honestly wild to see how quickly this community has grown. From students mining Pi between classes to professionals sharing tips in online groups, the energy is electric. People from all walks of life are getting involved, and it's creating a global network that's unlike anything we've seen before in the crypto world. The app is super easy to use, and the fact that you can mine on your phone without draining your battery is a total game changer. But the big question is, what's going to happen? What can we expect from PiNetwork in the future? With so much hype and speculation, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement, but it's important to look at the facts and the roadmap. Will PiNetwork finally launch its open mainnet? How will the value of Pi be determined once it hits exchanges? And what about the real-world use cases? Will we actually be able to spend Pi on goods and services, or is it all just hype? These are the questions everyone's asking, and today, we're going to dig into the details, analyze the latest updates, and talk about what May 2025 could mean for all of us in the Pi community. Well, stick around because in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about PiNetwork in May 2025. We'll cover the latest news, the most important milestones, and what you should be doing right now to get ready for what could be a historic moment in the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're holding Pi, thinking about joining, or just curious about what all the buzz is about, I've got you covered. So grab your phone, get comfortable, and let's jump into the future of PiNetwork together. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The anticipation in the air is almost electric, and you can feel the tension building with every passing day. For months, the PiNetwork community has been buzzing with speculation, hope, and a fair share of skepticism. Everyone's eyes are glued to their screens, waiting for that one announcement that could change everything. The stakes are high, and the excitement is palpable. The first thing everyone's talking about is the Mainnet Launch. Will it happen? Won't it happen? It's been the million-dollar question, literally. Across social media, forums, and chat groups, the debate rages on. Some are convinced it's just around the corner, while others are more cautious, pointing to the many hurdles that still need to be cleared. But one thing's for sure, the Mainnet Launch is the single most anticipated event in the PiNetwork's history, and it's got everyone on the edge of their seats. Over the past year, we've seen a series of milestones, testnet upgrades, wallet integrations, and community events, all building up to this moment. Each update has only fueled the speculation further, with users dissecting every word from the Pi core team for hidden clues. The sense of community is stronger than ever as pioneers from all over the world share their hopes and predictions for what's to come. By May 2025, we're hoping for some concrete answers. That date has become a beacon for the community. A point in time when all the waiting, all the mining, and all the speculation might finally pay off. People are marking their calendars, setting reminders, and counting down the days. The anticipation is so intense that even the smallest hint from the team sends waves of excitement through the community. Every day, new rumors surface. Some say the launch is imminent, while others warn of possible delays. But regardless of the uncertainty, the community remains hopeful. After all, patience has been the name of the game since the very beginning. The journey to Mainnet has been long and sometimes frustrating, but it's also been filled with moments of triumph and unity. The Pi core team has been working tirelessly and rumors are swirling about a potential launch date. Behind the scenes, developers are burning the midnight oil, ironing out bugs, and making sure everything is secure and ready for prime time. The team's commitment to building a robust and scalable network is clear, and their transparency, though sometimes limited, has helped maintain trust among the community. Security and scalability are top priorities. The team knows that a successful Mainnet launch isn't just about flipping a switch. It's about ensuring the network can handle millions of transactions, protect user assets, and withstand the scrutiny of the global crypto community. That's why every step is being taken with caution, and every decision is weighed carefully. Imagine this: millions of users finally able to trade their Pi on the open market. That's a game changer. For many, this is the moment they've been waiting for since they first started mining Pi on their phones. The potential for real-world value, for actual utility, is what sets this launch apart from so many other projects. It's not just about speculation, it's about creating a new digital economy, powered by everyday people. We're talking about a potential surge in value, mass adoption, the works. If the launch goes smoothly, Pi could quickly become one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the world. Early adopters might see their patience rewarded, and new users could flood in, eager to be part of the next big thing. The possibilities are endless, and the excitement is contagious. The world will be watching. Media outlets, financial analysts, and crypto enthusiasts everywhere will be paying close attention to how the launch unfolds. Will Pi live up to the hype, or will it face the same challenges that have tripped up so many other projects before it? Only time will tell, but hey, I'm not making any promises. We'll just have to wait and see what the Pi core team has in store. One thing's for sure, the next few months are going to be a wild ride. So buckle up, stay tuned, and keep your eyes peeled for updates, because the Mainnet launch could be closer than we think. Now, one thing that goes hand in hand with the Mainnet launch is KYC, or Know Your Customer. This process is a cornerstone of modern digital finance, and it's absolutely essential for any platform that wants to be taken seriously in the world of cryptocurrency. KYC isn't just a box to tick. It's a way to ensure that every user is who they say they are, and that the network remains safe, secure, and free from fraud or abuse. As PiNetwork moves closer to its mainnet launch, the importance of KYC can't be overstated. It's all about security and making sure PiNetwork is a legitimate and trustworthy platform. By verifying the identity of every user, PiNetwork can prevent bad actors from exploiting the system, protect users' assets, and build a foundation of trust that's crucial for long-term success. Security isn't just a feature, it's the backbone of any thriving digital ecosystem, and KYC is the first step in making that possible. By May 2025, we can expect the KYC process to be super streamlined. The PiNetwork team is working hard to make sure that verifying your identity is as quick and painless as possible. Imagine a process where you simply scan your ID, take a quick selfie, and get verified in minutes, not days. This is a huge leap forward from the old days of waiting for manual reviews and dealing with endless paperwork. Think facial recognition, instant verification, the whole 9 yards. Advanced technology will make it possible to confirm your identity with just a glance or a tap, using biometrics and AI-powered checks to keep things both secure and user-friendly. This isn't just about convenience, it's about making sure that everyone, no matter where they are in the world, can access the network quickly and safely. This is huge because it means more people can join the network quickly and securely. The easier it is to get verified, the faster the community can grow. And with a global user base, it's important that the process works smoothly for everyone, whether you're in a big city or a remote village. The streamlined KYC process will help break down barriers and open up opportunities for millions of new users. No more waiting around, no more complicated forms. Just boom, you're in. The days of being stuck in verification limbo are over. With instant approvals and a user-friendly interface, joining PiNetwork will be as easy as signing up for your favorite social app. This kind of accessibility is what sets Pi apart and makes it a truly inclusive platform. And with a massive verified user base, PiNetwork becomes even more attractive to investors and businesses. When companies see a platform with millions of real verified users, they know it's a serious player in the crypto space. This opens the door to new partnerships, more investment, and exciting opportunities for everyone involved. In the end, KYC isn't just about compliance, it's about building a network that's strong, secure, and ready for the future. Okay, here's where things get really exciting. By May 2025, the PiNetwork ecosystem is going to be booming. We're talking about a whole suite of new apps and services built on the Pi blockchain. Imagine shopping online, booking flights, even ordering pizza, all using Pi. And it's not just about apps. We're expecting major partnerships with big-name companies. Think tech giants, financial institutions, even governments jumping on the Pi bandwagon. This kind of widespread adoption is what takes a cryptocurrency from good to legendary. let's talk turkey, people. The million-dollar question, again literally, is what will the value of PiCoin be in May 2025? Now, I'm no financial advisor, but the experts are predicting big things. We're talking about the potential for Pi to reach hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars per coin. Think about it. A massive user base, a thriving ecosystem, and real-world utility. That's a recipe for success. But remember, cryptocurrency is a volatile market. There are risks involved, so don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Alright, picture this. You're scrolling through Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and there it is. PiNetwork. By May 2025, we could see PiCoin listed on all the major cryptocurrency exchanges. This is huge for accessibility and liquidity. It means anyone, anywhere in the world, can easily buy and sell Pi. And with increased trading volume comes increased demand, which could drive the price even higher. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. One of the coolest things about PiNetwork is the incredible community behind it. By May 2025, we can expect even more community-driven events and initiatives. Think massive online conferences, hackathons with crazy prizes, and meetups all over the world. This is your chance to connect with fellow pioneers, learn from the experts, and be a part of something truly special. The PiNetwork community is all about collaboration and innovation. So let's build the future together. So, what happens after May 2025? Well, the PiNetwork team has big plans for the future. We're talking about expanding into new markets, developing even more innovative applications, and becoming a truly global digital currency. The goal is to create a more inclusive and accessible financial system for everyone. It's a bold vision, but with the dedicated community and the groundbreaking technology, PiNetwork is well on its way to achieving it. The future is bright for Pi, and I can't wait to see what they accomplish. So there you have it, guys. My predictions for PiNetwork in May 2025. What do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on Pi? Let me know your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future PiNetwork updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.